So here in this video, I'll be giving you guys an update on BTC. You know that I always show two different charts on BTC. I only showed this on my previous video, which I'm very sorry. On the other chart, I didn't show you guys the other chart. Now, this is what the other chart is saying, because looking at the Fibonacci, which I drew here, you could see right here that this chart is from 2017. So this is literally where we currently are. Damn, but a very crazy state here. So I'm hoping we don't fall all the way down. So as you could see right here, if I should take all these things away from here, you could see right here that it seems like I have flu. It seems I have flu. You could see right here that Bitcoin is currently trading at a very massive after we broke out from this descending line right here, from this downtrend. You could see that if I come to the weekly, from the monthly, you already know where we currently are in the market. We already know where we currently are. I am in the market. We tried as much as we can to break above this place. We tried to break above it, use here as a support, then rally much higher, but that didn't happen. So we dropped down from that level. As you can see right here, we dropped down from here all the way down to this level. So now the crazy thing is that we have broken above this resistance right here, which is the 86 or $85,000. We broke above it. We rallied, and we also broke this downtrend right here. But what's most important is this line, this white line right here is none of my business. It is this Fibonacci that is most more important to me. So we broke above this 85, roughly 85,000 700 level. We broke above it and we came here to test this level. So now this is very crazy. This is very crazy, because now you know what the market is kind of saying for now. I don't know why it didn't touch that place, to be precise. I'm trying to know if I was very precise with the okay, and I need to log this after this. I need to be locking this Fibonacci, because I tend to like tamper with it most of the times without me even knowing. So I'll be locking this right here. Yes, because this Fibonacci is very important for us, because as you can see, long term we have up to $130,000 here to reach. So now this is currently where we have not touched that. If we come to the weekly, you say that we haven't touched it, so there is every chance of us actually touching it and also not touching it. So now if I should take this nonsense away from here, now we could see this was literally the range we were trading at. So now if I maybe come to the daily, if I should come to the daily right here, we could see right here that this was literally the range we were trading at, trying to break above. I need to take this away. We are trying as much as we can to stay above this line right here, this resistance right here, which was our support, which was the 96,200. We could see right here, like I said, this is an update on my previous video, which on Bitcoin, which I didn't make. So now this is actually going to be a well-detailed video. As you can see, we broke down below this support. We came here to retest it. We finally broke above it. We came here, we tried using here as a support. Okay, we held after we broke down with all this week. So we are holding. This was you see, there was a lot of interaction here and a lot of volatility right here, because the buyers and the sellers, they were trying to come to a conclusion if this level right here is a good level for them to break up above, for them to use as a support before rallying much higher to our next price targets, which is definitely $119,000. But at the end of the day, it was the bears that won in this range right here. They made it known to us that okay, this is not the perfect place for us to hold our support. We need to come all the way down. So we came all the way down to this level right now. Now we are coming here to retest this level. So now the buyers and the sellers would have to come into a final conclusion right now again. If this level right here, so the fact that we're actually going up here, it does not change the fact that okay, 96,179 or 180 is still a very critical resistance for us. So we need to sit down and relax to know how this is going to play out, because there's a lot of imbalance to the downside this is a free fall. This is a free fall all the way down to 85,000 or $86,000. So this is probably how it is it is going to be, maybe before we can rally much higher, and then maybe the buyers and the sellers can conclude that okay, this is right time for us to use this level as support, $96,000 dollars range as support. If not, I would say we'll have to drop all the way down, which is going to be very, very bad for altcoins. It's going to be very, very, very bad for altcoins. So be on the lookout for this. If we're not getting any proper breakout with volume, with a retest, I would say this is going to be a faker. So we'll have to come crashing down. We'll have to come crashing down. Let us forget people probably saying, okay, our next support is going to be $90,000. No, we'll drop all the way down to 85 or $86,000. That's how crazy it is. But we need to be thankful that okay, we've broken above this range right here. We've broken above this range. So before we'll see this range, it might take some time. It might take some time, and the market is kind of priced into some extent with the tariff and all what's not. So we are kind of expecting the worst, but we still got good news ahead of us. So I don't want this video to be long because this is more like an extension to my previous video on Bitcoin. So thank you guys for watching. I would encourage you guys to watch this video again and again, just for you to understand where I'm coming from, and you can watch this video and go back and watch my previous video on Bitcoin. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe, turn on post notifications, smash that like button, and share this video with your friend. Also if you're a trader, links are down below. Use the links below that which are provided for you on 3 different exchanges: Bybit, Gate.io, and Weex to trade. Yeah, thank you guys for watching. Have a wonderful weekend and peace out.